Hi, good morning. This is Kailash Chavan. Today we will discuss about the metals and non-metals. Okay, metals and non-metals. Metals and non-metal are different kinds of material that are exist surrounding us, and elements can be classified into metals, non-metals, and metalloids. Metalloids. Okay. What is meant by element? What is meant by element? Element is any substance. Element is any substance which cannot divide into another substance. Which cannot divide into another substance. Such substances are known as element. Element is a simple substance we cannot divide into another simple substances. Like example, hydrogen, lithium, boron, carbon, sodium. These are the example of elements. Elements are divided into three types: metals, non-metals, and metalloids. So let's start with the metals. Metals. What is mean by metal? How can we define metals? Metals are highly reactive. Metals are highly reactive, highly reactive species, and they are lose electron easily, and to form positively charged species. And to form positively charged species. Such substances are known as metals. Example: sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, etc. These are the examples of metals. Okay, what are the physical properties and chemical properties of metal? The physical properties of metals are ductile, metals are malleable, metals are sonorous, metals are hard, metals have high melting and boiling point. Okay, these are the physical properties of metals. Okay, ductiles, we can convert into a wire, the substances which can convert into a wire, these properties are known as ductile. Okay, these are the physical properties of metals. Chemical properties of metal. Chemical properties: when metals are reacted with oxygen to form a metal oxide. Example: reaction with oxygen. Okay, when metal reacts with oxygen to form a metal oxide. Example: potassium reacted with oxygen to form a potassium oxide. Okay, another chemical properties of metal is reaction with water. When metal reacted with water to form a metal hydroxide. Example: sodium reacts with H2O, it gives sodium hydroxide and H2 gas, hydrogen gas and heat energy. Such reactions are known as exothermic reaction. Another chemical properties of metal is metal reacted with acid, reaction with acid. When metal reacted with acid, it gives metal salt and hydrogen gas. When ferrous reacted with 2 moles of hydrochloric acid, it gives ferrous chloride and hydrogen gas. These are the chemical properties of metals. So let's discuss with the physical and chemical properties of non-metal. Okay, non-metals. Non-metals are the material which are not holding the characteristics of shiny, not shiny. It is a soft and brittle. It is a soft and brittle. It is not a malleable, and non-metals have low melting and boiling point, low melting point and boiling point. Non-metals are soft. Exception, diamond are the hardest substance. These are the physical properties of non-metals. Chemical property, next, chemical properties of non-metal. Okay, first chemical property is reaction with oxygen. Reaction with oxygen. When non-metal reacts with oxygen to form a non-metal oxide, that is example when carbon reacted with oxygen to form a carbon dioxide. This is the first chemical properties of non-metal. Second chemical property is reaction with water. Reaction with water. Non-metal does not react with water except halogen. Halogen can react with water. Example, Cl2 plus H2O to form and HCl. Okay, this is the second chemical properties of non-metal. Last one, reaction with acid. Metal does not react with acid. Exception, halogen. Halogen can react with acid. Example, chlorine gas reacted with 2 hydroboric acid to form 2HCl and bromine. These are the chemical properties of non-metals. Most of the non-metals are found in gaseous state and solid state. Exception, bromine, and metals are found in a solid state. Exception, gallium and mercury. Thank you.